All right, grab your drink and slump into that couch. We need to talk about your secret superpower. Yeah, you. The one scrolling right now, with big dreams, but zero motivation to move. I see you. I am you. Let's cut the crap. Lazy ambition. How to hack your way to success without burning out. Confession time. My greatest achievement last Tuesday? Organizing my spice rack to avoid writing the script. I've binge-watched entire seasons instead of launching projects. I'm the queen of I'll start tomorrow. But guess what? I've also built businesses that print money while I nap. How? I weaponized my laziness. The dirty truth. Ambition isn't about hustling 24/7. It's about being strategically lazy. Your laziness isn't a flaw. It's your built-in efficiency detector. You refuse to waste energy. That's genius. Here's your 3-part lazy overlord system. 1. Build invisible elevators. Automate or die. Stop forcing yourself to do the thing. Make the thing do itself. Money goals? Set auto transfers to savings the nanosecond your paycheck hits. Health? Keep prepped meals at eye level in the fridge. Junk food? Bury it in the freezer behind frozen kale. You'll never dig for it. Learning? Podcasts on 1.5x speed while walking to get coffee. Zero extra time. 2. The 90-second rule. Lazy equals low barrier. If a task takes. 3. Outsource your willpower. Be the CEO, not the employee. Lazy people don't do tasks. They assign them. Tech. Use AI. ChatGPT for emails. Canva Magic Write for captions. Humans. Hire a $5 per hour VA on Fiverr to handle admin crap. Environment. Place your gym shoes on your laptop so you can't work without moving. Why this works? Laziness forces innovation. While grinders waste energy climbing stairs, you install escalators. Examples. I automated client onboarding and gained 12 hours per week into learn piano for fun. Friend put her phone in a timed kitchen safe and wrote a novel in 45-minute bursts. Reddit guy paid kids $1 to fold his laundry and became tidy dad overnight.
Your lazy ambitious starter pack. Kill one should. I should meal prep. Build one idiot-proof system. Prepaid healthy meals delivered Tuesdays. Celebrate doing less. Seriously. Throw confetti for not grinding.
If this felt like permission to finally breathe, smash subscribe. Do it lazy style, one thumb tap. Why? Next week, the 2-Minute CEO. Run a business from your couch. Real systems for fellow slackers. Join the lazy geniuses on Patreon. Link in bio. Not charity, though eternal naps to my OGs. You're my accountability snooze button. Get done-for-you templates, automation scripts, VA task lists. Your support funds more anti-hustle content. Welcome to your lazy revolution. Now, go take a guilt-free nap. Your empire will build itself.